This video today will show you how to build the new ACO pallet stand. So in terms of equipment here, we have the 2 legs, 2 feet, a header and a bus stop point of sale display and the fixings. And then in terms of tools, we have a gentle persuasion tool, a 4mm Allen key, some gloves and POS boards. We have the top header board and we have the accessory board and then a pallet of your favourite stock. We'll start to assemble the pallet stand now. So we start off by taking the 2 feet and place them roughly about 1 metre apart from each other. Then we will take one of the legs and ensuring that you have the 2 bolt holes facing outwards, slot this down over the spigot. This is where you might need your little gentle persuasion tool just to give it a little knock. So put your foot on the base. There we go, in position. Take the second one and ensure the fixings are still on the outside face. There we go, no persuasion needed on that one. Then we will take the header frame and this is where you check that your distance is okay. So now we have the header in position. One quick tip is to just ensure that your fixings are facing outwards towards the store. And then at this point, we just need to put all the fixings in to secure everything. So we'll grab our 4mm Allen key and a couple of the fixings. And there are fixings in this part of the leg and the base part of the leg that just hold it all together. Now the pallet stand is fully assembled, we're going to put our point of sale boards up onto the stand. So ensure that you have the correct point of sale board for the pallet of merchandise you're going to put underneath and align it up to the frame. Take your screw with a washer and just basically put it into here and you can just finger tight it for the first one and then you can move over to the second one and do the same here and repeat on the fourth set. We have the accessory board which goes underneath the main header board and ensuring that you have the same accessories as you've got on your header board. You can basically put this into position via the 4 bolts again. So here we have our pallet of stock that we're going to put in between the 2 legs on the pallet stand. And then once this is in position, just make sure you unband it so the customers can pick the channels that they require.